Your Dell monitor powers on normally, but instead of showing your desktop, it displays no DP signal across the screen. Sometimes the monitor enters sleep mode instantly, while other times the computer seems running but nothing ever appears through the DisplayPort connection. This issue is usually related to loose DisplayPort cables, incorrect monitor input settings, graphics driver problems, or startup detection glitches rather than a broken monitor. In many situations, the monitor simply fails to recognize the signal during boot and needs the connection refreshed properly. Before replacing the cable or monitor completely, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore the DisplayPort signal. 1. Turn off both the Dell monitor and the computer completely. 2. Disconnect the DisplayPort cable from both ends carefully. 3. Reconnect the cable firmly into the monitor and graphics card ports. 4. Select DisplayPort manually from the monitor input source menu. 5. Restart the computer and wait for the monitor to detect the signal. 6. Try another DisplayPort cable or GPU port if available. 7. Update graphics drivers if the monitor still shows no DP signal.